So basically I am just going to show you guys exactly how I install these locks on my Afro kinky hair. So that's what I love about double-ended locks. Not only is it quicker, 3 hours. I have some leave-in conditioner here. I am just wetting and moisturizing it with that. And then I have some edge control. This is how I install my double-ended locks. I get a good edge control, a good hold edge control. And so I just basically just take it and coat my hair in it. Especially concentrating on the ends. You want to take this section and part it. The lock is going to go in between these two parts. You want to take the middle of the lock here and make sure it's even with the rest of the locks, or if you're going for a more layered look, measure it up against the other locks. And we are just taking your 2 pieces of hair and the lock as a 3rd strand and just braiding it, doing a 3-strand braid around the lock, with the lock being the 3rd strand of the 3-strand braid. Once I get tired of braiding, I usually just start to wrap on the ends here. And before I finish wrapping, I get a little bit of more edge control here and find my seal point where I really want my hair to stick to, and continue wrapping around that dot of edge control. They just kind of palm roll it in the direction you're wrapping. And then for extra security, if you would like more security, making sure your hair stays a little longer, because eventually the edge control will wear off. Probably after a month it will start to wear off. You want to go in with some holding spray, and I just picked up some Tresemme, the number 5 hairspray. It's the Mega Firm Control. I'm just about out. So you just want to take your time and focus on that end point especially, and then if you want to spray the whole braid, you can. And this will give you extra hold. And then you just take that second end dread and just pull it down. And then boom. There's another little thing that I wanted to try. I want to kind of add some hair here in the front, like some loose hair, to kind of give it a more boho look, you know what I mean? I have some curly hair here. I think it's Deep Twist Hair by Free Tris Equal.